Morning everybody on YouTube, hope everyone's doing well. Now finally after a long time we are visiting the Kawasaki service center, the authorized service center. I mean me and Ninja, and there's a lot of work to be done. The front tire has gone all bald, so that needs to be replaced. The mirror is broken, as you saw in the last ride. I'm not sure if you've seen the video. Take a look, you can check it from the link on the I button on the top right corner. So the mirror broke. I have ordered it. It's a shame that the service center, they do not keep the stock of the mirror, so I had to make an advance payment and then they ordered it from the factory. So that's there. And then the cone set, just the cone set assembly, including the ball bearings and everything, it's nearly 5,500 rupees. So anyways, let's go to the service center. Let's go and talk to the service advisor, whoever it is, and we'll figure out. It's going to take some time. It's going to take at least 4 to 5 hours. Okay folks, all the job is done. The bike is fixed. What the heck is this wire? Okay, yeah, so the cone set is replaced. They did not have the stock one, and the all balls racing, which we tried to procure this way from Moto Usher, that was not in stock. That's the reason why we got another one. You can see it on the screen right now. That's a tapered bearing, so apparently they should have a longer life. The chain sprocket, that needs replacement. Maybe in the next service I'll get it done, because for now I think it has some life. The front tire is new, the rear is, yeah, that's also going to die, so I need to change that as well. Sorry for this stupid pro biker gloves, but then this works in the city. Alright, so now let's break down the parts and the labor of how much have I spent on it. So the front tire is 2,200 rupees. That was done at MRF dealership nearby. Again, that does not include any labor. And I have gone with the stock tire itself. That's the MRF Nylogrip Zapper FY1. This, I believe, is one of the most underrated tires out there in business, because I have done like what, 22,000 kilometers so far, almost 21,000 change kilometers, and this tire has been doing exceptionally good. It doesn't matter we ride it on dry, or even when the tire was almost bald, I was riding the bike at like 120 plus in wet when it was raining cats and dogs in multiple rides, in multiple recent rides, and this tire just has held up very well. It never even once did it show any signs of, you know, that it would make me feel nervous, that it's losing the grip on wet. Nothing so far. So this tire is bloody good, and I would definitely recommend this tire to anyone who is planning to upgrade or change the front tire. Yeah, so we were talking about the cone set. That costed me 2,200 rupees, so it saved me quite a decent amount of money compared to the actual Kawasaki one. It's like less than half the price, and I saved nearly 700 rupees if against the all balls racing. And the labor charge for fixing that cone set costed me 2,100 rupees plus the tax, whatever the taxes are. And now coming to the fork oil and the fork overhaul. So the fork oil costed me 900 rupees. That is from Maxima, so that's there. And then the labor charge for the fork overhaul, basically changing the oil and putting the spring and things back along with the oil seal, that costed me another 1,200 rupees. And then they tightened the chain. It was a little bit loose, so that was another 150 rupees or something. Sorry, yeah, about 150, 200 rupees. So yeah, the entire expenses, if we talk about the labor, that costed me 4,200 rupees plus 2,200 is the cone set, 600 rupees is the mirror. And I was really surprised when I got to know that the mirror is only 600 rupees. So yes, my dear friends, that's it for the current video, this video. I hope that this video comes out to be of some help for some of you guys. In case if you want to know about the prices of any particular spare part or something, do let me know in the comments. I'll try to find it out and I'll get back to you. I usually respond to every comment that I receive in my videos, though I receive a handful of them. But yes, for now, thanks a lot for taking your time out. Stay safe, ride safe, and God bless you all. Bye bye.